This is a new, tastier version of the onion syrup you might remember from childhood. Although onion is still the main ingredient, a few extra touches make this recipe taste much better than the traditional one. Start by sterilizing a jar in boiling water. Slice a red onion. It's packed with nutrients that boost immunity, cleanse the body, and have a soothing effect. Place a few slices in the jar. Next comes the garlic. Peel and slice the cloves. Garlic is known for its strengthening properties, supporting the immune system and offering natural protection. Add it to the jar with the onion, then move on to ginger. It warms the body and helps maintain energy on colder days. Add a few slices of ginger to the jar. The next key ingredient is lemon. It's rich in vitamin C, refreshes, supports immunity, and adds a pleasant, slightly tangy flavor. Add lemon slices to the jar as well. Drop in a few cloves for extra warmth. Add a pinch of cinnamon and some star anise. You can also add a sprig of rosemary for a deeper aroma. Pour natural honey over everything. Close the jar tightly and turn it upside down to mix the ingredients well. The syrup will be ready to drink after about 2 hours. Take it as needed. 3 teaspoons a day are enough. This syrup supports immunity, soothes coughs and sore throats, warms the body, and restores energy during cold season. Store the closed jar in the refrigerator.